안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to next Matchip. It's a little bit different today. It's a beautiful morning here in Korea and I'm going to cook Miyeokguk. That's seaweed soup. And I'm just going to enjoy the morning and cook with you guys. So let's get started. Let's begin with the seaweed. 1 cup of this, and you don't want to use too much. A little bit more. This much. This is going to expand and there's going to be a lot of this very soon. In there, cold water. First step, I'm going to put everything in order that I'm going to use it. Meat goes first. We'll fry that with some oil. We've got our Miyeokguk, we're going to need that. We're going to get that in there and get that fried. Then soy sauce. Then water. And then garlic and our fish sauce. Whoa! So, I love this. Oh, just listen to it. That needs to be strained. So let's get, I'm gonna deal with this. Squeeze that a little. Good. Alright, that's the best we're gonna get it without just leaving it and letting it dry out too much. I'm gonna wash my hands. Right, a little bit of oil, because we want to brown that meat nicely. This is cooking oil. Let's just chuck this in. Okay, have a look here. You'll see the water. When you first put in a lot of this meat, a lot of the moisture and sort of water that's inside the meat comes out, makes this water. You want to get rid of that. Just let that boil down slowly. You'll see here it's sticking to the sides. That's alright. Remember, we're actually going to add water later on. So all this stuff that's stuck on the side here, that'll get picked up by the water and returned into the soup. So that's delicious. What we want is these little bits, fatty pieces, like this and this, to render down a little bit. So what that means is that fat will come out of the meat and into here. So we get a layer of fat and we want that in our soup because it will be delicious. Once again, this smells delicious. Oh, beautiful. Look at that boiling up. So I've turned up the heat just a little bit. Because this is cold, I'm not worried about everything burning. And that bit more heat will cook that seaweed a little quicker and make sure everything's frying up. You can hear it popping and cracking away. That's good heat. Oh yeah, that sounds good. It's definitely getting hot. Let's add the soy sauce. There we go, look, one of these. Now, that's 750 mils. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. I'm going to add one more of those of water. But first, let's just cool everything off, get it off the bottom. So it's 1.5 liters of water in total. I have no idea how much meat I put in this. You can put lots of meat, you can put little. It won't make much difference, really. The seaweed is the main thing. Too much seaweed, it's going to get strange. This whole thing would be full of seaweed. You wouldn't be able to stir it properly. You don't want that. And you don't want too little seaweed. It's seaweed soup. It's not meat soup. So once this is boiling, we're going to simmer it and add in the rest of the ingredients. Ooh, look at it bubble away. Perfect. Ooh, good. Then our garlic. We'll mix this in, and after that, we'll taste it. Then we can add whatever we need to make sure our flavor is going to be perfect. It's very hot, so blow on it. Oh yeah, that's good. Alright, that is ready. You could eat that, but I'm quite picky. As I said, I want it to boil for a little bit longer, so Essentially, if I boil this for another 5 minutes, it's going to be 5 minutes more tasty. That's the color we're looking for. Ooh, look at that. Oh, 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 oh. Yes. Perfect. For serving, serve your delicious seaweed soup with some rice. And look at this cool, I thought I'd show you guys this. Look at this cool rice my wife prepared for me. Beautiful. Got some mushrooms in it. So just get a little bit, just this much. That is delicious. We're gonna have to prepare some delicious dishes to go with it. Ooh, my potatoes, rice. Fresh kimchi. Yum. Looks so delicious, doesn't it? Let's check this out. Look. Ooh. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with me. It was a beautiful morning. The sun's out. It's a great day, and nothing better to start your day than a beautiful bowl of seaweed soup. Fresh, delicious seaweed soup using local Korean beef. We've got our mushroom and rice. Mmm, so good. Braised spicy potatoes. You can look that recipe up. I've got that on my channel. And of course, kimchi. Oh, okay, that's too much kimchi. Oh, I do love kimchi. Mmm. But we're here for the soup. So let's try that. Oh. With the winter coming, it's important to stay healthy, and you can't get much healthier than the soup. It's all this garlic inside of it. It's going to boost your immune system as well as keep you warm on those cold days. Mmm. Oh, it's still hot. It's good. Mmm. I'm going to get eating this because this is delicious. I've enjoyed doing this today. Try it out next time with a different dish. In the meantime, 안녕히 계세요.